Hey guys, this is a quick video to show the Bosch Icon wipers I just installed. This is a Crosstour 2014 model Honda Crosstour. The stock wipers are okay, but after a little while it was streaking a little bit, I think. And also I've been using Rain-X, so Rain-X was applied to this windshield probably about a week or two ago at most. So we're gonna have a look at how the Bosch wipers perform. All I can say is I'm pretty amazed right now. There's like literally not a drop of water left on the windshield. That definitely was not the case with my OEM stock wipers. Now, these are brand new. That was the first time these wipers were used, so I'm sure they're great. They're supposed to last a lot longer than the OEMs, but even so, like the OEMs at the beginning was never this clear. I'm really amazed at how well they work. I know they're a little bit more expensive, and everybody kind of, on the forums and posts says that, but I think that if you tend to travel, I don't know, long distances on the highway alone, or like for me, I like to go skiing in the winter, so I'm going to use it in the snow, in the mountains. I definitely think this is the way to go. I am really amazed right now, and I really hope that these things last as long as they claim to be. All right, thank you very much. This has been a quick little demonstration of the Bosch Icon wipers. See you next time.